Stony Brook has definitely given me a lot of know-how as to physics, and physics has given me a lot of know-how as to how to play better.
A physics major at Stony Brook, George O'Neill applies what he knows to what he loves.
There's tons of mechanics into baseball, especially physical mechanics. If you swing the bat just a little bit too fast, you know, you're going to come up on the ball in a whole different area, and the ball's going to have a completely different trajectory.
There you go!
There's a lot of physics that go into play. You know, the projectile motion of the balls in the air and on the ground play a big part into physics.
Working mostly with projectile motion, George works out different ways to improve his game and that of his Bulldogs teammates.
And me personally, if I swing too fast, I actually I tip the ball a lot. And when I swing too fast, what happens is the ball is actually coming down from an angle, and if I swing too fast, I'm actually ahead of the ball. So when the ball hits the bat, it just tips off and goes behind me. A lot of people, they like to try to fix their batting stance, and and a lot of that has to do with physics. You placing your footing, you got a good standing, that you're applying the right amount of force, you got a lot of angular momentum going on when you're swinging the bat. If you hold it too close, maybe sometimes you'll tip it off, or if you hold it out too far, you do the same thing.
No run here, no run here. We got 2 outs, 4 seconds. Go, Candy. Go, Candy.
Come on, Candy.
A big part of physics is time dependency. The game is completely dependent on time. I mean, if you throw somebody out a split second too late, they're not out.
George says doing this allows him to combine two of his passions and has helped him improve his overall game.
I need to know everything about the motion of that ball, and that's very important in baseball and in softball and a lot of sports altogether. You need to know where the ball is going in order to play good.